Look at this storm. Oh my gosh, this storm. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's a storm system. Look out. Look. Look, Steve Feldman. It's a storm system. Oh my gosh. Look. In Santa Clarita. And it's, see the thunder and lightning. It's thunder and lightning. Look out. It's a storm. Look out. It's a storm. Look at our neighborhood. Look at our neighbor across the street. They're seeing it too. Look at all that. Look at all those clouds over there, man. And look. Now it's getting even harder. Oh my gosh. You know what? Huge storm. And I rotate my camera onto the other side. And look, it's a big, huge tornado. And it's a thunder and lightning strike right here in Santa Clarita. Dale Pulsford says he's looking outside his neighbor's window. And look at the gutters. Oh my God. Lot of thunder and lightning, buddy. Look out! It's on YouTube. You can't see it. It's on YouTube. Take a look. Like, oh my gosh. It's hailing. No, it isn't. Oh, yes, it is. See, that's thunder and lightning. That's lightning. See, and the clouds. And live Doppler 7000, make a Doppler 7000. ABC 7, Eyewitness News. Dallas Rains from Channel 7. Oh, yes. Yeah. Flooding, danger flooding in Beverly Hills today. And we know. Sometimes you see. Look out. Reporting live from Santa Clarita. And you hear the thunder goes boom. Sleepily in the night. Thank you. Thank you, all you Santa Claritians. Be good and have a nice day. And stay dry out there when it rains. Stay inside. Shut your freaking windows. Bye-bye.